And why am I showing you all this stuff? Well, I had to dig it up for a reason, okay? All right, follow me here. Now, I was getting ready to replant stuff in here, but before I did that, I thought, okay, I need to do some more checking. I had to dig this out over here, dig it out over there a little bit to allow enough room for the decomposed granite. Dug around here, and when I pulled this cap off, you see that big hole in there? That whole thing was filled up with decomposed granite, with sand, with roots. 25 years. It had never been cleaned out. This thing is full. By the way, this pipe is full right in here. It's full right over in there because that was filled up. Okay, that's why I had to dig it up. I thought, I gotta dig it up. I gotta clean that out. Okay, and I have a feeling some of this pipe is going to be full. I have not pulled this cap off yet. I'm going to pull that off here in a minute. Okay, I got to get my putty knife and pull it up. You'll see what I see. My guess is, see how this is covered? Doesn't necessarily mean this whole container is covered. It might just be the top of there, but I am going to wager that this thing is full and that it extends down over to about there. I'm also going to wager the same one of these over there is full and it gets into the pipe. Now, how am I going to clean that pipe out? That's why I had to dig it all up. That's why I had to dig it all up. And I thought, I'm just going to dig this up. Granted, this landscaping is 25 years old. That's what you have to do with landscaping like this. Because I had all this dug up, because I tore out roots, because I have been doing all kinds of other stuff and tore out the plants, got ready to find a leak in the drip irrigation pipes and the drippers and all that kind of stuff. I thought, hey, I might as well go the extra mile, and I'm glad because I found that. So then I thought, okay, this drain's got to be cleaned out, and there's all kinds of stuff in here. So what am I going to do? What would you do? I thought, hey, I'll dig this back to here, and then maybe I can disconnect it from here, pull this out, flop it, and lift it up off the ground, beat it against the ground, get all the sand down in there. But see, the type of fitting, the type of box this is, it's a 6-inch box, okay? See how big that is? And then the hole, there's one hole over here, one hole over there. I thought it was kind of slick how they hooked it up, but when you buy these boxes at the store, they come with adapters. They didn't have any adapters to go from 6-inch hole to a 3-inch pipe. They have adapters for, they could have just left 6 if they were going to hook up to 6-inch pipe. They've got adapters to 4 and down to 3. Well, they didn't have anything. You see what they did? They just pushed this in, and they put duct tape all the way around it. They probably did that before they shoved this down here. It's been like that for 25 years. Okay? Now, I got to be the one to fix it. Went to the store, and what do you suppose I got? I got some couplings. I'm gonna end up cutting this. I don't think I'm gonna mess with taking the connection off and trying to find a reducer from there. Usually at the store, the reducers come with this box, and I just went to the store to get some couplings. Okay, when I was there, I looked at these boxes. They're like 60 bucks, $59 to $65 for a box like that. Are you kidding me? And they didn't have the reducers because, like I said, most reducers come with the box. So I wasn't about ready to mess with this. I'm trying to do this on the cheap. I'm trying to get it so it gets taken care of properly. So my thing was, hey, I'm gonna leave this on. Okay, I may have to clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna pull it out of here, actually. Okay, but I gotta cut it off. So I'm gonna cut it off, maybe about right in there, maybe about right in there, and maybe about right there. That way I can reach in there, clean that out. I can pull this out. I can rinse it out with a hose, whatever, and stuff. I don't want this too long. Maybe I could make it that long. And that long, and then I can lift this whole thing out. Then to reconnect it, I could push it back out down under there, and I can put couplings, can I? I cut that one off, cut that one off. Then I can take this whole pipe, I can bang it on the ground, get it all cleaned out, because I know it's full of sand and grit and decomposed granite and maybe some roots. From that hole, I reached my hand in there and it was still packed solid. I did the same thing with the putty knife that way, packed solid. So I know it's packed solid at least to there and at least to there. Mind you, 25 years of stuff, it just built up. I mean, the idea when you use these to maintain them, you can pull this up every couple years, and it's got an area down there that's about I don't know, an inch and a half or so at the bottom before it comes up to go out of the 3-inch or 4-inch hole. So you could lift that up, you could clean that out. Has enough room for an inch and a half worth of sand, decomposed granite, because this was all full of decomposed granite. When the gardeners come, they blow, they rake, some stuff goes in there. Well, you just have to be mindful. Every 5 or 6 months, lift that up, clean it out, voila. Nobody did that, did they? Nobody did that. Okay, so then I can take this whole thing out, can I? I dug it out. I thought, hey, why just go to there? That way I can pull this whole thing out, I can check it out, I can clean it out, I can see how it's installed. See right there, it's got a hump right there, doesn't it? It humps up, and then it humps back down a little bit. They didn't really care, because when it's full of water, there's no depressions, no slits at the bottom of this. When the water fills up in here, it's still going to go out, right? Okay, so I can make that a little bit better. When I pull that up, I can kind of clean that out. But then over here, it goes down. See how it goes down, and then it comes up, and it can only go up so high, because I don't want this whole pipe sticking up this high. You know what I mean? Then you're going to see this from here. The decomposed granite was just barely covering this. So see, I've got to clean out a little bit, and there's all kinds of stuff in there. So I'll be able to get all that stuff out. And you see how it's actually going uphill right there. I'm going to have to lift this up a little bit, and I can check all that stuff out. Okay, it's almost like a brand new install now. I can lift that up. I can put these rocks out there. The idea is when the water comes out of here, it hits the rocks, it fills up, runs out, runs down, goes down there. That's all I can do with that. I'm not doing anything else. Sometimes you have to work with what you got. Okay, and I'll talk about these couplings here in a minute. And so, see, this thing here, I know it's going to be clogged up. I'm going to pull this out in a minute. Like I said, I don't necessarily have to cut this one here, do I? And put another coupling there, because there's a T here. I'm going to have to pull this T off, aren't I? And it's got some little hook things in there. I'm going to have to wedge and put a few screwdrivers in there and wiggle it and hold my breath just right, my mouth just right. I'm going to get this T out of here. That way I can get this disconnected, this pipe. I can get this pipe disconnected, and for now I'm just gonna get this cleaned out from there. Okay, and then I'm gonna backfill all this. And when I get done with everything, see, I'm not done with all this yet. I wanted to dig up where all the drip irrigation was, where all the bubblers were coming out, so I know where to put my plants, so I know which drippers I can extend, which drippers I can cap off, where the main drip line is, all that kind of stuff. I can backfill all this kind of stuff. we've also got some new lights we're going to be installing through here. All that kind of stuff has to be done before I can plant any plants, right? But so once we put the weed block down, we put some plants here, we get all this dirt backfilled, then I'm going to take the decomposed granite and layer that down all through here, about 2 inches worth or so. And then I'll get some brand new decomposed granite and put it over the top so it looks all brand new. Once I do that, see, it's a work in progress. Once I do that, because I didn't know where to put this decomposed granite. I didn't know, I wanted to reuse it. I didn't want to throw all that away. I couldn't just reuse that all in here and throw more decomposed granite over the top of that, because that's full of dirt and rocks and different things. Most of it is just decomposed granite. Then it would have been built way up too high. So once I pull out the stuff that I need here, I'm gonna have to pull the rest of the stuff out of there, push it over here, right? Then I can dig up this line over to there, take that up, disconnect that, pull this out, whack that down on the floor, get that all fixed again, hook it back up here, and get ready to go. You see what I mean? Okay, so I still want to talk to you more about this before I get to that, okay? Bear with me. The more you watch, the more you learn.